Hi everyone, thanks for watching this week's video. Okay, so this week I'm making a spicy lamb burger with an avocado salsa. Obviously it's beautiful weather, it's barbecue season, so I thought we'll just do it outside on the barbecue. Okay, so we'll get straight into this. In a bowl we've got 500 grams of lamb mince, which I just got from the butcher this morning. So we're going to finely dice half a red onion. So in with that. Okay, we've got one Bird's Eye Chilli. I think that'll be enough for this. They're very hot. So just finely slice that up. We're also going to go in with one egg, one whole egg. A little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, and we'll give this a good mix up. We're also going to go in with some fresh coriander, so we'll just get that sliced up. And some fresh breadcrumbs. Okay, we'll just get that a good mix up. What we're going to do is we're going to roll the mix into balls before we shape them. Just roughly about 6-ounce balls. This recipe should give you about 4 burgers. Okay, we can shape our burgers. So I'm using a burger press. Now you can get these, these are quite easy to get a hold of. If you don't have a burger press, it doesn't matter, you can just make them more rustic. We're just in there, into the press. Okay, and onto our tray. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll just brush these with a little bit of oil, just to stop them sticking to the barbecue. Okay, now they're ready now to go into the barbecue. Okay, now the barbecue's ready, we can go straight on with the burgers. Okay, so once I've had a couple of minutes like this, we'll just flip them to the sides, just try and get the bar mark on them, just carefully. Okay, and now while we're waiting for this, we can get onto our salsa. Okay, so for the salsa, 1 avocado. Remove the stone. Okay, we're just going to flip these burgers over now. And I'm just going to put the lid over and just let them cook. So because I'm only going to use half a shallot for this. I think that's enough. Depending on the size of the shallot, these ones are quite big, so I'm only going to use half. I've also got one vine tomato here, so we'll just chop that up. Into our bowl with that. So I'm also going to go in with half of a Bird's Eye Chilli, so we'll just chop that up quite finely. I think half will be enough, it's very hot. And also, there's also some chilli in the burger as well, isn't there? So, don't want it to be too hot. And with that, I put the juice of one lime in there, so just okay, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, just get that good mix up. Okay, so that's our salsa ready. We can now check on our burgers. Okay, so I think it's time to check on our burgers. Okay, so our burgers have been on the barbecue for over 10 minutes now. They should be cooked all the way through. Still nice and juicy. Okay, so I've got a nice brioche bun here, which I've just cut in half. So I'm just going to toast that on the barbecue. So on the bottom, I'm just going to go in with some sour cream. I haven't added into this. This is just sour cream. The point of this is there's a bit of chilli in the burger and there's chilli in the salsa. So this is just going to cool it all down a little bit. A few rocket leaves. Going with our burger. And our avocado. And just a little bit more of the salsa on the side. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give this a go. If you are liking my videos, please give me the thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon.